Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, and we're in Roatan, Honduras on the Carnival Paradise.
She says, oh, okay, got it. Me and Marsha making her way. Wet monkeys, sloths, and a wet macaque. Okay? So, yeah, hang with us.
First one normally is the monkeys and sloths. Are you guys excited about them?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Anyone is excited about the iguana part?
Yes.
Okay. But more the monkeys and sloths. So that's honestly the highlight of everyone's trips to Roatan. You can take all the pictures you want. You can take your phones and your cameras in.
Okay. They won't try to take your phone and camera?
The monkeys will.
They'll take anything.
If you're lucky and you put it like on selfie or something. And
and that's the energy that Harry likes to hear. But I've got some instructions to share with you guys today to make sure that your time with us is as best as it can be. First of all, please make sure that you stay close to Harry so that you can hear him. He's going to be telling you lots of information about our animals and also information to keep you, the animals, and your personal belongings safe. Kiddos, go like this for me. Kids, go like this. Keep those fingers by your side when you're going in the cage, okay? Don't stick them in. The monkeys might grab them.
You know what? It's nothing like going to see monkeys and sloths in a torrential downpour, guys. We're going to get wet. The animals are going to get wet, but we're going to have fun holding them.
Whenever it comes to them pooping, they don't do it from the top of the trees where they usually hang. Alright, they're gonna take their time, they're gonna climb all the way down. Some of them, like Snow White, which is her mom, she poops in the water, others poop in the sand. Alright? I wish I could take a 16 to 18 hour nap.
Tell me what you got there.
I've got Patricia, a sloth.
For a week, that's the kind of pet we all want. But do you have a dog or cat at home? Yeah. Does that cat get excited whenever it sees you after you make it?
And this is her what?
That's Snow White, that's her mom.
This is her mama over here.
She's the oldest sloth here.
Oldest one here?
Oldest sloth here.
All right.
And they hang out in the trees, and when they're ready for us to hold them, they have to climb up in the trees and get the sloths.
You can be gone 1 week, they finally...
You think I'm going to hold?
They look at you. Tag us up on it, all right?
Yeah, sure.
Hey, Kurt. What do you have?
Patricia.
You know who's going to be jealous?
No, Bailey.
Bailey's going to be jealous because you're holding Patricia. And you don't hold Bailey.
Can I tell you, Bailey weighs about 8 more pounds than this, I believe. not much difference. Lucas, Anderson. I think all the babies are bigger, are heavier than this right here now.
That's what she said.
What's the reasoning in the hair salon? I mean, just from any other. What's the reasoning why they have so much hair?
So whenever they're in the wild, they're gonna get like a green, right? From the moss, from the rainforest that they live in, it's always wet, it's always humid. So their back will actually turn green with moss to help camouflage themselves.
That's pretty cool, man.
Yeah,
that's good camo.
Yeah. It's like holding a hairy grandbaby, guys.
Yeah. Captain Billy.
Hey, you know this
Come on in, guys. Oh, good luck too.
Hello. How are you?
They're gonna think you're a strawberry, man.
Look.
monkey.
Captain
Hold the
Billy.
monkey.
Captain Billy on my back.
All right, so guys, these are white-faced
Yeah.
capuchin monkeys. This is Belle. She was born here. This is Maxie. He was also born here. They're around 2 to 3 years old. That one there, her name is Sammy. She was one of the first rescues, and she's about 12 to 14 years old. All right.
Hey, fella. Oh, my. What are you doing?
What is that?
What are you doing there?
Don't try to hold. Don't try to touch them or grab them, guys.
He's looking on top of your head for something.
Hi, there's nothing on my head. He didn't put it on mine.
He's looking up there, or she.
Yeah, sometimes. They love to pull here. I don't like my hair pulled here.
They said.
Oh man, that's how they poop on you. That's how they fix. Yeah.
Slow.
Just scratching, no biting, buddy.
That's it. That's it. Alright. Hey, ma'am, you come on down this way. We have 3 species of macaws. Alright? The first species is you've got about 3 seconds to get out of the way. Alright, guys? So when it comes to the hybrids, their only sign is activity. In the wild, the macaws, they always mate with one partner, and it's always with the same species as themselves, right? Red with red.
Or there is a rock iguana because the more hot it is, more iguanas come down because it's better for them. So we have right here, those are males because we can recognize between male and female because...
So, this is normal. We don't have any speed limit here on the side. Okay? You haven't seen a red light yet, right? Right. You may see a few stop signs.
You want to know what to do in the rain? In Ruatan, you go and get you a monkey Lala. They are delicious, and they were started here in Ruatan.
Tastes a little bit of everything in that.
Yeah.
Supposed to lighten up today, but it sure did not. Stayed overcast all day.
Oh, y'all looking good. Get it over here back at services. Right back. Turn. Turn. That's it. Okay, you got it.
50.
Then it's 50 and I'm nifty and I'm ready to go again.
Tomorrow. How you feel? Cheers, baby.
Thank you for watching our channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button.